In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Wix website. Before we get started, a quick note. Deleting a Wix site doesn't remove your entire Wix account. It only sends that particular site to the trash. You can still access your account and any other sites you might have. With that in mind, let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Wix account using your usual details and wait for the dashboard to load. After logging in, you should land on the main site dashboard for the website you've been working on. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation menu, and one of the options near the top is the Setup tab. Make sure you're on that Setup tab, because that's where the option to delete or move your site to the trash is available. Now look toward the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a small More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll find an option labeled Move to Trash. This is the command Wix uses instead of a straightforward delete button. Once you click Move to Trash, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Wix shows this message to make sure you don't remove a site by accident. The pop-up will explain that your site will become unpublished, which means it will no longer be visible to visitors. It will also note that you won't be able to edit the site while it's in the trash. However, it won't disappear immediately forever. Wix keeps deleted sites in the trash for 90 days. During that time, you can still restore the site if you change your mind. Take a moment to read this message carefully and make sure you really do want to remove the site. If you're certain you no longer need it, look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up. There you'll see the final Move to Trash button. Click this button to confirm your choice. Once you do that, Wix will process your request and send the website to the trash. The site will be unpublished and removed from your active list of sites, and you're done. That's all there is to it.